Don't you think it's important for kids to appreciate application of geometry in real life? The tools that used by kids to draw geometric shapes are compass, divider, set of protractors, etc. that are very similar to the tools used by draftsmen, architects, etc. This kit contains activities that are devoted to the practical geometry, that is, geometry used in everyday life. In the very first activity, kids will use basic practical geometric tools to construct angles, arcs, etc., similar to the work of a draftsman. In the second activity, kids will use practical geometry to build their own wallets. Activity 3 exposes the kid to understand how latest technologies have turned geometry into a virtual subject. Hence, they build their own study desk that has undergone one such technology.